call me nature, others call me Mother Nature. 22,500 times longer than you. I don't need people, but people need me. Yes, your future depends on me. My oceans, my soil, my flowing streams, my forests, they all take you or leave you. How you choose to live each day, whether you regard or disregard me, doesn't really matter to me. One way or the other, your actions will determine your fate, not mine. I am nature. I am prepared to evolve. Are you? Yes, children. Now you understood what I am going to talk about. Today, 5th June, we are celebrating World Environment Day. The whole world has been celebrating it since 1974. This day focuses on to spread awareness among people to protect and conserve the environment. The theme of World Environment Day this year is ecosystem restoration. It means assisting in the recovery of ecosystem that have been destroyed or decayed. Many camps, seminars, along with rallies and morning processions remain the center of attraction of the day. So children, to remark this day, each one can contribute by planting trees, saving water, less use of electricity, no to plastic, and so on. So let us promise to fulfill our responsibility. Join our hands to save the environment and get started.